Hello everyone, here's a really smart way to make money with the ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you how others do make up to $62,000 a month. I was actually shocked to find out that there are a channel on YouTube that publish videos like this one and like this one here that get millions and millions of the views, and there are faceless videos, and some of those channels are making crazy amounts of money and getting crazy amounts of viewers. Hello everyone, my name is Happy and welcome to my channel. Look at this estimate monthly earning up to $62.8 thousand per month, getting thousands and hundreds of thousands of viewers every single day. Look at this one. Here the creator of the video doesn't appear in any of these videos. And all of the content and the footage that those channels use in these videos is available for you to use as well. So there is nothing stopping you from making these exact types of videos and starting to make money from those videos starting today. I'm going to show you how to do all of this using a semi-automated way with a powerful tool called ChatGPT. Let's do this. Step one of the process is to find the niche that allows you to make faceless videos and that has that type of footage available. A couple of good niches ideas for you to start with is a travel niche, so a niche that covers destinations. If you look at any of the channels that publish top 10 type of travel videos, you will see that they use mostly footage in which nobody appears, and that footage is also available for you to reuse it as well. I'm going to show you how in just a moment. The second idea for such a channel is an exercise type channel. You will also find a tons of exercise channel that are publishing videos like this one. Here you can see that basically they are just using standard stock footage that you can use as well. I'm going to show you how to find that footage in a moment for the purpose of today's video. Let's take the travel niche as an example. Step 2 of the process is to find the keywords and ideas for your videos, and one of the ways to do this is to type in any search related to your niche into a YouTube search. For example, best beaches in the world, and then take a look at some of the channels that are publishing content in this niche. So you could go into Tropia and open the videos and go to the video tab and then sort by most popular. And that will display the most popular videos first. So you can use that the videos about, for example, 25 greatest natural wonders of the world has got 19 million viewers in 1 year. 25 best place to visit in Europe, 9.6 million viewers in the past 3 years. So this way you can sort by the most popular topics and you can create a better or a different version of these same videos. Here's another channel, Mojo Travels. Again, if we're sold by popular, we can see here are 10 top 10 reasons to visit Hawaii. These are all good ideas for you to duplicate in your video. A second way to find keywords and ideas for your video is to use the YouTube search bar. If you type in best beaches in and then put in your cursor, you will see all of these suggestions that are coming up, and these are the most popular things that people are searching for on YouTube. So these are real people doing real search on YouTube. So this is a very, very powerful and important way to find the keywords and topics for your videos for the purpose of this video today. How about we go with this topic, top 10 most beautiful cities in the world. This is a common search term. If we type in most beautiful cities okay, we can see that this actually is a very common kind of sub-niches within the travel industry. Most beautiful cities in the world and most beautiful cities in the Europe, in Africa, in the US, or etc. You can create videos on all of this because people are searching for them all the time. And let's go ahead and create a video like this top 10 most beautiful cities in the world. Step 3 is to create your YouTube video script and create your voiceover. To do that, go to the openai.com and create an account on the ChatGPT. If you don't have an account yet, click to sign up. You may from time to time see the notification says that right now there is a high volume of applications. So in that case, just go and wait a couple of hours and you might have to sign up later. But for now, looks like this is allowing us to create an account and it's been fine for quite a few days now. So hopefully you won't have any problems. Once you are inside the ChatGPT, you can interact with it. And there is like 1,000 different ways that you can use ChatGPT. I'm discovering more every single day. By the way, if you guys want to make a separate video on all the different ways to make money with the ChatGPT, drop me a comment below. I'm discovering new ways all the time and it's a super exciting tool. But for this video today, let's just focus on how to write a YouTube script using ChatGPT so you can give the comments. And the comment that I'm going to give to the ChatGPT now is here at the bottom of the search. I'm going to write me a script for a 9-minute YouTube video about top 10 most beautiful cities in the world. And I'm going to hit enter and ChatGPT has gone to work and it's writing me a full video script. Look at this. It's even putting the marks. How long each of the parts is going to take. Alright, so we've got our script and you can see that is the ended up actually being 4 minutes and 54 seconds long. And if you're finding that that output is a little bit short, in that case, then just give it a comment to expand it. So here I've written make it 1200 words and now ChatGPT will go ahead and rewrite it and expand it to make it a little bit longer. So we've got 2 pretty long paragraphs about Venice, Italy in the original text and it was just 1 short paragraph. So this way basically you've given the comment to ChatGPT to expand what's already written and it's going to bring in a bit of additional information. You need to type it in the comment of continue this and then ChatGPT will continue writing. As you can see, just like this, in a couple of minutes, we've got a script for an awesome YouTube video and that the script is about 1200 words long, which basically means it's about 9 to 10 minutes. Now it's time to record the voiceover and to do that, you can just use your mobile phone because they normally have pretty good microphones and pretty good recording quality of the audio. So just read this script out and to make it exactly unique, I highly recommend it that you reword every single sentence a tiny bit so you don't just repeat what ChatGPT has told you, but you actually say it in your own words. So just change it a little bit to make it unique. Record the whole script into your mobile phone or into your microphone on your desktop computer and save it the output audio file. Step 4 is to create your actual video. To do that, go into a canva.com and you can absolutely use just the free plan of canva.com for this purpose. Once you are inside the Canva, dashboard, click on the create design and then search YouTube video and choose this YouTube video 1920 by 1080. Next step, go to the left hand side and where it says uploads. Go and upload your video of your voice or cover, and so that you can edit it and clean it up, and it will at the bottom of your editor. After that, you can start putting together your video. So to get an idea on how to structure a video, just go to the video that you're kind of trying to get some idea from. For us, it was this one, top 10 most beautiful cities in the world. So we can scroll to the start and see how they have structured the opening, probably 30 seconds or so of their videos. They just got a bit of footage of the different cities that they're covering in the video. So we can absolutely do the same for that part of the audio where you're reading out your intro script and just put in there a footage of a couple of cities that you're going to cover. For example, if we grab a couple of cities such as Prague and Santorini, we can go over here and just at that very start we will drop those couple of videos. So let's go to elements, and then here we're going to search Santorini. You can now see here under videos we'll expand to see all, and I want to filter out only free videos unless you've got, of course, got a premium plan, but we're just working with a free plan. Here apply the filter, and here's all the amazing footage of Santorini. We can choose one of these bit of footage. For example, let's take this one and see what it looks like. This will work really well. So the opening part of your script inside, if you decide to use this, you can just drag and drop that over here. Let's make it a little bit smaller, and we might want to put some underlining text. So let's go into elements and look for a box. We can grab this box over here and let's just overlay all of that together like this one. Now we can rewrite it. We can say top 10 here at the top and just make it a little bit smaller to fit in, and then here we can write most beautiful cities. Actually, you can of course play with the colors in the positions. You can now rewrite it. We can say top 10 here at the top and just make it a little bit smaller to fit in. And then here we can write most beautiful cities. You can of course play with the colors in the positioning. I'm not going to take up too much time, but Canva provides all of the tools to make it look amazing. Alright, just to show you what we've done in literally 2 or 3 minutes. I'm gonna play this. So I've got that footage of Santorini, then that nice fade out effect and fade in effect of the title, and in the background you're gonna have your voice reading the instructor script that you just recorded. So then you would go into Venice, Italy, Paris, France, and the exact same way, just create a new page here in Canva for each of those sections of your videos and find the appropriate footage. For example, you've typed in Venice, Italy, and then apply the free filter, and then you can use any of this footage over here. Once you've done, go and export it, and just like that, you've got an awesome video uploaded with a similar title that you've got over here that you know already worked for another channel. Try to change it a little bit. and the way you've asked to write the description again, model your description on the description of another successful video, but just reword it and make it unique. Plagiarizing someone else's work. If you guys want some more information about this method, we actually cover all of that inside our training. We've got so many models in through equipment, niche selection, channel setups, contact creation, uploading videos, making money YouTubes, and so many other ways. There is a link in the comment section. So basically, once you see this page, you can choose which training you want to join, then enter your name and email and click get instant access. We've got a tons of videos on each of the model, so where we were showing everything in a lot of details. And this course comes with a private Facebook coaching group, and this is where we help daily answer any questions. We've got a lot of people who've already been accepted into the YouTube partner program, so that's really exciting. And if you guys want basically to learn more about how to grow on YouTube, how to become successful online, and how to make money in a lot of different ways, then just go to the it's learnable.com. It is learnable.com, and we might see you inside the course. Thank you for watching. I hope that was helpful. Please don't forget to share, like, and comment and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next one.